Get into a car with value. 2018 Kia Sorento. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a capable Kia Sorento, the comfortable, connected midsize crossover available in front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. With plenty of passenger and cargo space, standard infotainment system, and advanced safety features, you'll be relaxed and confident on every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, third row seat, alarm, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers. Prepare to build lasting family memories in this smooth, spacious Sorento. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.